Can't touch this. Turned down. Can't touch this. Havana in a way. Come on, mate. Fermi Prince. Now, about to move in. About to move forward. About to move in here, 1,300 metres the journey. Blinkers go back on Come On Mate today. They're on Havana for the first time. And Come On Mate with the black-coloured blinkers about to move in to join Fermi Prince. Havana is already placed into the gates. Octa de Lago, the odds-on favourite. And the latest quote is 175. In away at the price of 750 is the second elect. Come On Mate is into the gates. Yanagrima aboard. Dylan Gibbons on the hot favourite Octa de Lago. And Dylan just removing some sweat from the neck as the favourite is being placed into the barrier. So the 4-year-old is in. Waiting on turn down. Cheeky Dancer in away. And in the pink colours, Can't Touch This. Trained by Matt Smith. Mitch Bell aboard. So turn down. Moving into the barriers, the Bathurst trained 5-year-old. And we have one further west here, Fermi Prince, who's made the trip down from Mudgee. So in the final stages of loading them, last couple getting set, Cheeky Dancer's in. So Can't Touch This and In Away are the remaining two to move forward. In Away, who finished down the course at his last couple in Sydney, trying the provincials today, trying to find an easier race. So Can't Touch This about to move in with In Away. Well, Zarovich has certainly bumped up the quaddie payouts. SP'd at $31 winning the previous. Came from a hopeless position. Zarovich at the 200, it looked to be going nowhere, and the leaders are all out. And Zarovich has flown on the outside and nicked a last stride victory. Visually, the win of the day. There's the light. Last is 6 here at KEMBLA. Stand by for a break. Octa de Lago, the odds-on favourite. 175, the last I looked, and the gate spring open. Oh, he's pretty tardy out. Very discombobulated, the favourite Octa de Lago. And the odds-on pop's going to settle last. Turn down won the break from Can't Touch This, and In Away send forward. Cheeky Dancer up in the fray going to fourth, clear from Havana. Further back to Come On Mate, 4 off to Fermi Prince. And Octa de Lago, the 175 favourite, is last and hasn't made a yard on them at this stage. 800 to go. Can't Touch This is serving it up now to turn down, and Can't Touch This will storm to the front. In Away travelling nicely today in third, followed by Cheeky Dancer. Then Come On Mate, Havana. 3 for the back to Fermi Prince. It's looking a forlorn hope. It's impossible now on Octa de Lago. It's Bob Hope or no hope. Around the turn, Can't Touch This in front by 2. on turn down. In away, travelling up well. Come on, mate, down the outside with these blinkers on today. Can't touch this. 300 to go from turn down. In away, come on, mate, is really starting to lengthen. And 3 further back to Ivana. Come on, mate, moved up on the outside of In away. Then came Ivana, who's whacking away. Come on, mate, 100 to go. The blinkers have got him sparked up today. And come on, mate, will win the last from Ivana. Third, turn down and In away. Very close for third. Then Can't Touch This, followed by Fermi, Prince Cheeky Dancer, and Octodelago. Things went wrong out of the gates. He was all discombobulated and he's finished tailed off. $11 the winner. Come on, mate. Sienna Grima, $11.240. Ivana, $2.40. Pretty tight third. Turn down the inside of In away. Could go either way. Well, Octodelago, the hot favourite, going under in very worrying style.